Summer is here, and whether you're capturing epic landscapes, filming cinematic travel content, or just looking to elevate your social media game, having the right drone can make all the difference. In this video, we are ranking the top 3 drones for content creators in 2025, from the ultimate pro-level powerhouse to the ultra-portable favorite made for creators on the move. Let's break down the features, performance, and real-world use cases so you can choose the right one for your needs. Let's get into it. 1. DJI Mavic 3 Pro, the elite choice for cinematic contents. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is the first drone in DJI's lineup to feature a triple camera system, offering unparalleled versatility for professional content creators. This setup includes a 4.3 CMOS Hasselblad camera, a 70mm medium telephoto lens, and a 166mm telephoto lens, allowing for dynamic storytelling and creative framing without the need to land and change lenses. Features: triple camera system, enabling seamless transitions between focal lengths. High-resolution video captures up to 5.1K video at 50 FPS and 4K at 120 FPS, providing crisp and detailed footage suitable for professional productions. Extended flight time offers up to 43 minutes of flight time, allowing for longer shoots without frequent battery changes. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing, equipped with sensors on all sides 360 degrees to detect and avoid obstacles, ensuring safer flights in complex environments. Advanced video transmission utilizes DJI's O3 Plus transmission system for stable and clear video feeds over long distances up to 15 km. Best for professional filmmakers and videographers seeking top-tier image quality and versatility. Content creators requiring multiple focal lengths for dynamic storytelling. Documentary filmmakers and adventure vloggers. Commercial projects where image quality and reliability are paramount like real estate. 2. DJI Mini 4 Pro, the portable pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro packs professional-grade features into a compact and lightweight design, making it an ideal choice for creators on the move. Weighing under 249 grams, it offers advanced imaging capabilities without the need for registration in many regions. Features: 1.3 CMOS sensor, captures 4K 60 FPS HDR video and 48 megapixel stills, delivering high-quality content suitable for various platforms. True vertical shooting allows for native vertical video capture, perfect for social media content. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing provides comprehensive obstacle detection, enhancing flight safety. Extended flight time offers up to 34 minutes of flight time, extendable to 45 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus. Advanced video transmission features DJI's O4 transmission system, enabling 1080p 60 FPS live feeds from up to 20 km away. Best for travel vloggers and solo creators needing a lightweight yet capable drone. Social media influencers focusing on platforms favoring vertical video. Enthusiasts looking for a balance between portability and professional features. 3. Potensic Atom 2, the budget-friendly companion. The Potensic Atom 2 offers impressive features at an accessible price point, making it a great option for beginners and budget-conscious creators. Despite its affordability, it doesn't compromise on essential functionalities. Features: 8K Ultra HD camera. Equipped with an 8K camera and a 3-axis gimbal, it captures high-resolution, stable pictures and 4K HDR for videos. AI track and vertical shooting includes intelligent tracking features and supports vertical shooting, catering to modern content creation needs. Lightweight design weighs just 249 grams, offering portability and ease of use. Flight time provides up to 32 minutes of flight time, sufficient for most casual shooting sessions. Best for beginners entering the world of drone photography and videography, content creators seeking a cost-effective solution without sacrificing key features, travelers desiring a lightweight drone for capturing adventures on the go. So here's the breakdown. DJI Mavic 3 Pro, the ultimate choice for professionals demanding the highest image quality and versatility. DJI Mini 4 Pro, the perfect blend of portability and professional features for creators on the move. Potensic Atom 2, an affordable entry point into drone content creation without compromising on essential features. Let us know in the comments. Which one fits your workflow best? Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, especially if you're into mobile setups, gear reviews, and creator tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.